Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've already plugged the Chromecast into the TV and set the TV to that HDMI input. Now make the network match. Once done, connect your laptop to the exact same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast because Discovery uses local network broadcasts. Make sure Chrome is up to date and signed into your Google account. Chrome contains the built-in cast feature. Next, power the Chromecast from a wall adapter rather than the TV USB to avoid insufficient power and flaky connections. You'll start casting from Chrome. Open the menu, choose Cast, and Chrome will scan for devices. Once you see your Chromecast's name, select it and pick the correct source. Cast tab for a single tab, Cast desktop for whole screen, or Cast file for media. Make sure to enable audio when prompted so sound routes to the TV. If you want higher quality, choose desktop and set the tab to full screen. Otherwise, latency is lower with single tab casting. Monitor playback and adjust volume on both laptop and TV. You're almost done. When finished, click the cast icon in Chrome and choose Stop to end the session so the Chromecast is free for other devices. If you need to, switch the TV back to your previous input and close any resource-heavy apps on the laptop. If things go wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Restart Chromecast first, then reboot your router, then reboot your laptop. This clears most Discovery, IP, and buffering problems. If issues persist, check firewall settings and ensure Chrome has network permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.